The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, east central Hardin County in southeastern Texas, Orange County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over White Bluff, Oregon, 7 miles south of Evadale, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, trees, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaumont, Port Arthur, Orange, Nederland, Fort Neches, Lumberton, Vidor, Bridge City, West Orange, Vinton, Evadale, Central Gardens, Morrisville, Rose City, Pine Forest, Lakeview, West Bluff, Gist, Pinehurst, and Forest Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Louisiana and southeastern Texas.